Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal or reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 26th of October 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Pisces, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. Let's see what we have. I'm hungry. After this, I'm going to eat a lot. Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands, King of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Chariot. Okay, so like the energy on a subconscious level, or you can say on a deeper level, is the Chariot. So you guys want to make things like go forward. Okay, you guys want to make things successful and victorious in this particular dynamics, because it's like from both the sides I do see the pull, the attraction, this energy of wearing your heart on your sleeves, but make things work out no matter what. I think it's like passion reignited in the same bond, in the same connection. I don't think it's a totally new energy, new person that you're dealing with. I think there was some kind of energy going on, some kind of energy exchange going on between you and a particular person. Things went down and now things are coming up again. Maybe it was not a romantic connection, romantic bond at first, now it's becoming one. Okay, so today's reading is for those people who is entering into a situation where the necessarily it was not a romantic bond, but now it's becoming one, and both of you are very eager and determined to make things work out, to like take things forward in this dynamics, in this, in a beautiful and positive way. Awesome. On a conscious level, we have the Wheel of Fortune, Ace of Wands, and the King of Wands. You guys are in this situation, it is all about divine timing, when you guys will be able to have this brand new beginning, when you guys will be able to share this attraction and this pull and this good vibes and good energies with yourself, with each other. Okay, it's like passion ignited. Something happened at some point of time and things went down. Now the tables are turning in this connections favor, in this union's favor, and things are starting from the start, and you guys are quite excited, and you guys are ready to take the risk in this direction, to start from the start and make things work out in a positive way. The only thing missing here in this situation is the base, the ground level, like grounded energies. Right now it's passionate, right now it's all fiery and fireworks and crackers and all that, and super excited energies. The base level, you guys are not even thinking about the base level right now. You are just enjoying the ride, or at least trying to, right? Because you got this situation in your life with fate. You're like, destiny bring it back, or destiny brought it to me, so I should just enjoy it. Okay, so the mutual energy is of excitement of a brand new beginning. Hmm? Seems like a destined kind of energy. Okay, and the lesson here for you guys is to have some kind of stable energies also, stability also. Wearing your heart on your sleeves and taking the risk of going in that direction is totally fine, as long as you're enjoying it, it's good. But try to keep a stable base also, if you guys can. Otherwise, just enjoy the ride. Okay, who cares, right? Okay, let's see, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Empress, wow. So this person is feeling like you guys have the potential to have growth and expansion. You guys have a potential to create something really meaningful, okay, in this dynamics. Let's clarify the Empress here. We have the Hanged Man, the Judgment, and the Six of Cups. Hmm. See, this is someone who feels like they should see things from a totally different perspective. They should release the past people, past energies, and past situations out of their life, out of their system. And for some of you, if you guys are already connected to each other from a very long time, now this person feels like giving this situation the opportunity to let it grow and expand. So basically, they feel like moving to the next chapter of the situation, even if it is even if you guys are connected with each other from a very long time, or if you have recently connected. So somebody's trying to let go of the past, maybe a past person, past situation that they're dealing with, to be with you because they see a potential here. And or if you guys are connected with each other from a very long time, now they feel like letting go of the past issues and everything and moving forward in this direction with you, seeing things from a totally different perspective. So somebody feels like having a good future with you. Okay, because they see a good potential here. Finally, a grounded energy is here in their feelings. Let's see, what do you feel? Why Pisces? Let me get the cards. Okay. Let me see your like. What do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Page of Wands. So from your side, you feel like keeping things light-hearted on a on a friendly level, and you feel like initiating something, but not taking things too much seriously too quickly. Okay, let me clarify the Page of Wands. We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Six of Wands. Yeah, you feel like moving forward in this direction and creating something really meaningful and stable and safe and secure. And you feel like moving forward and making this situation work out. But you feel like keeping things light-hearted. You have, see, both of you are on the same mission here. The goal is same. Hmm? But you feel like keeping it light-hearted, doing it one day at a time, creating it slowly but surely, but you definitely feel like making things work out and having a successful and victorious outcome out of the situation. On the other hand, the person that you're dealing with, they're like, okay, let's create something really meaningful and beautiful together. Let the past be in the past and let's see things from a totally different perspective and make things happen. So both of you are on the same page here. A little bit of difference in the way you guys are handling it, otherwise you guys are on the same page beautifully. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? It's like you are giving second chance to something. Hmm? That was not working out in the past, or you guys were not in a romantic kind of bond at first. Now you guys are. So this is a very specific reading today, Pisces. I think a lot of people will not be able to uh, resonate today. Okay, anyways, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Knight of Pentacles. They want to make things very very stable, and they want to take things forward in a slow and gentle way. So this person doesn't want to rush towards this growth and expansion and this happiness. They want to create it one day at a time, one step at a time. At least that's the intention. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles here. We have the Tower, the Queen of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. Yeah, they're like they don't want to be in this harsh energy of let's do it as quickly as possible, let's fix it, and let's just do it. No, they're like, okay, I am not going to rush, I'm not going to hurry, but I'm going to make sure, I'm going to make it very very clear to Pisces that I want to work on this situation, I want to collaborate, I want to partner up, and I want to make things work out, but in a gentle way. So one of you might be pushing the other person too hard in the past. Now you want to, both of you just want to come on the same page and make things happen in a slow and gentle and mature way. They want to let go of this my way or highway kind of energy, right? Now somebody wants to stabilize the energies between you and them. This is such a positive reading. I don't want to ruin it after. getting the outcome or anything. Just keep it like this. Energetically, it's a freaking good match between you two. Awesome. Let's see what this person wants from you. What do you want from this particular person or situation, from your side, Pisces, honey? Queen of Wands. So from your side, you just want to, be in this connection, involved, invested, but you don't want to lose your individuality and your independence too. It doesn't mean you're commitment phobic or something. Simply means that you want to keep your individuality, your independence too, meanwhile investing in this situation also. That's good. That's how it should be. Healthy one, healthy connection. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands here. We have the Hierophant, the Five of Swords, the King of Swords, right? You don't want to make this commitment only, or this marriage only, or this connection only the base of your life. You want to keep the stressful energies away from you. You just want to have a crystal clear understanding of how your life is going to change and how you are going to be after this commitment or marriage or whatever you guys are working on as a team. So you want to keep your individuality intact, meanwhile investing in this situation as much as you can, but you don't want to make this situation only the center point of your life. And that's actually how it should be, Pisces. Even if somebody's saying, yeah, I should be the center of attention, da 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 da, then it's not a healthy relationship. So you basically wants to create a healthy relationship for yourself, for this dynamic from both the sides, and you want your own life and your own space too. Okay, that's really nice. Pisces, awesome. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the what we have 26th of October. Seven of Pentacles. It's like taking a step back and trying to re-evaluate the situation, but not being able to understand that there is something right in front of you guys that you guys can go ahead with. You're like, no, let me take a step back, let me understand. Let's clarify the Seven of Pentacles here as a potential outcome, Pisces. We have Eight of Cups, Nine of Swords, Nine of Pentacles. Okay, so one of you who is trying to keep their independence intact and not making this whole scenario, whole dynamics the center of attention of the world, might leave the situation behind because the other person will not be able to understand it. They are going to take it as a personal thing that, okay, you don't love me, that's why you want your independence, that's why you want to keep your energies intact and all that shit. So somebody's planning to leave the situation by taking a step back and understanding that if somebody is in a relationship, they should be always together, they should do everything together, they should not keep their independence intact. It should not be like this. Now it's a freaking mismatch in energies by the end of this week. It's like somebody's taking a step back and trying to understand whether they should walk away or stick around. Okay, because one of you keeping your independence intact is not going to go well with the other person here. While thinking about walking away and moving on, they're already walking away, they're already in this energy of, okay, this is too stressful for me, I cannot keep the situation going like this, let me focus on myself too, Pisces. It's like you guys are having the same goal, same mission, same energies, everything like that, but this declaration of somebody wanting to keep their own life going on apart from this chapter also, this dynamic also, is not going to go well with the other person here. And then it's going to create the energy of, okay, let me think about it. While thinking about it, somebody's trying to walk away from the situation, already started, because it's too stressful for them to be in the situation like this. My god, I don't know why people can't understand the simple fact that you guys are two individuals having two separate lives, two separate journeys. I am, and when two healthy people, healthy mindset people enter in a relationship, it becomes more healthier and beautiful. I don't know why people keep on making things complicated by making it feel like, okay, you should breathe with me, you should eat with me, you should shit with me. That's not love. That's codependency, and it's very very unhealthy. Even if you guys take it as, oh, they're in love, they're in love, you guys don't understand. A lot of people I have seen, like, rarely I have seen a couple who is just doing their own thing, living their own life, and have a good bond at the end of the day. They share a good relationship. Rarely, I'm telling you. Especially in India, it's not normal. Wow. And by keeping your independence and by keeping your own life, it doesn't mean that you're cheating and sleeping with others. Please try to understand. It simply means that you have a life out of this bond as well, and you have your own goals, your own journey as well. That's what I meant. A lot of people like, yeah, you're teaching people to cheat. Da. Come on, grow up, baba. Anyways, the guidance is the Ace of Swords. You guys have to have a proper communication about the situation in a very, very logical and balanced way. You guys have to understand this whole dynamics from a clear cut point of view. If you guys are not able to keep the compassion and love alive, if you guys are not able to come on the same page, not being able to understand the other person's point of view right now, take your time. Take your time. Don't make any kind of life changing decision in this energy. So somebody who is taking a step back is actually doing the right thing here, but they're already on the verge of moving on, like walking away. Hmm? But take your time, be gentle, be clear, and have your own life too. Keep your own life too, but at the same time, try to understand other person's point of view as well. Simply try to find a middle ground in the situation if possible. If not, I don't know what to do. This is up to you now, right? Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area, Pisces. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in 10 seconds from now, and your time starts now. Okay, honey. So the answer to your question is unlikely. Unlikely means right now it's not happening. It's a kind of a maybe, kind of, right? Right now it's not happening. Whenever it is supposed to, it will. Okay, honey. So thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.